decided to do the Srmc course after serving 10 years in the Royal Marines and looking on the outside to what sort of roles to go into.
I had the course recommended to me by a very close friend, and I decided to get on it.
I wanted to gain a greater understanding into the corporate world of defence and risk management.
I've done lots of other courses, security management, and I think this is a step higher.
I think it is just thinking about risk as a more encompassing nature, not just kind of arbitrary figures.
The skills I learnt on the course that you just wouldn't think of are involved in risk management, research companies, look at their history and make your own assumption as to whether they're a legit company.
Even the subject that are not even related to like the breathing exercise that they put in was very interesting actually.
Best day in course, day 5, talking with Marcus about crisis management and thinking more holistically.
So it was really well set up, the lighting, the scenario, the role players were incredible on the end of the phone, it just made it.
Skills that we learned there in terms of dealing with clients, which in that case obviously was a rogue actor, is definitely something I'm going to take forward into my next career, which will be in the sales industry.
It's made me actually think about doing a police negotiation course, when I've always avoided.
Next step for me, I'm actually starting a role with a small startup in the defence sector.
Develop my further knowledge, look at other courses, maybe going into my areas of interest a bit more deeper.
At the moment I'm into mid-management in my field, so I think I might be looking for risk management jobs, so just to progress naturally.
Let's go and see what I can learn. It's been a really good experience. I'm a lot more focused.
So I'm just going to get my head in the books when I get home and just really make sure I understand what I've been taught over the last 12 days.